How to add free gift with purchase using Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll be covering the topic of adding a free gift after the customers, purchase a specific amount of value, basically. So once they buy over $100, for example, they will get a free gift, and so on. This is basically going to be something that you could use and calculate to gain more profit because you would entice people to actually buy for more value. In return, they will obviously be getting a free gift, but you would want to calculate it and make it work, and you would have more sales. So let's actually just jump into it, talk about how to get started. So basically, the first thing that you'll need to do is just go ahead to your Shopify dashboard, go to Add Apps. Basically, you will need to navigate to the Shopify App Store. And then from the Shopify App Store, we will be looking for a specific app which is going to allow us to do this and even more. It's also going to allow us to add a cart value tracker, which is just going to show you how much value left before they unlock this free gift. So basically, just look for Monk free gift. Just type in Monk free gift, and we should be able to find it if the logos just show up. I believe it should be this one. Yes, it's this one. Monk free gift and cart upsell. So just make sure you choose select this one. Now, free plan is available, and also free trial is available. If you want to read more about it, you can see why you would want to upgrade. I'm not going to go through that, but you can go ahead and just read through it. Basically, you will need to go ahead and just click on install and just install it for your store to get it up and working. So let me just go ahead and verify the installation once more. Click on install, and it should be installed in a second. We can just exit out of here now. So once it is installed, we need to go ahead and actually enable the app. So here we will be obviously given the opportunity to activate 7 days free trial. So we can actually go ahead and just activate free trial, go through these steps just to set up the actual app. So just go ahead, add your card. It's not going to take you, it's not going to withdraw anything before the free trial, which is 7 days. But then obviously you would want to either cancel or continue with it, continue using it. So just make sure you select the correct payment method and you start your free trial. So, by the way, I just clicked, I didn't even need to add anything just to start the free trial. I just clicked on the approve button on the right side, and that worked. Anyways, what we need to do now is actually enable the app, which is going to be the first step. So just make sure you click on enable and follow the steps. Or you can just go through your theme customization tab and go to app embeds, which is this right here. Look for Monk app, and you should find it to make sure this is turned on. If it's off, make sure it is turned on. Once this is done, click on save, make sure you save, and we can actually just go back and refresh this page. And now we will need to go ahead and actually create our funnel. So basically, if it's your first time, you can just go ahead and click on create new funnel on the top right. And here we have all the funnels that we can actually go ahead and create. We have free gift auto add, free gift selection. Now the difference between these two, auto add is when you have only one free gift product that people won't be able to choose. But if you want to have a selection of free gifts and people will have the options to actually choose which one they want, if it's, for example, a shirt and you want them to be able to choose the variants, whether it's going to be small, large, or medium, then make sure you go ahead and set up the free gift selection. The only difference in setting them up is with this one, you'll need to actually select more than just one product. And then you have more stuff here, like for cross-sell and all of those things. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on free gift auto add and create new. I'm just going to name it free gift. You can also name it the name of the product. This will show up for people, so make sure you name it something that is not completely random. Click on create. And now you'll need to just set up a few things in here just to make it work. So here is going to be the rule that we want to use for the free gift. So show offer if a specific product or all of these rules you can obviously use. So if it's a specific product tag and so on, but we want the cart's value range. So if the cart's value range is greater than, we select a specific number. So let's just do 50. Oops, sorry about that. 50. And we just do my currency that I'm using. Actually, let's just make it 100. So if cart value range is greater than the amount that with obviously your currency, then it's going to be available with a free gift. And if you want to set up your time zone, you can also click on here and set up your time zone. So I'm just going to leave this empty. After you're done with this, you can just go ahead and click on next. And now we will find the product and display. Here, obviously, we'd want to choose the product that we want to use as the free gift. So we just click on select product, and then just go have random products here just for the test. Let's say we want to gift this red product if people reach 100 dirhams or more, then I would just click on add. And then gift quantity is just going to be 1. If you want to be more, it's up to you. Here, if you want to add more products, you can also do so. But if it's auto add, then I don't think they will be able to select it. It's just going to be both at the same time. So make sure you know what you're doing. So again, if it's gift auto add, if you select more than just one product, all of them are going to be selected at the same time. So make sure you add the products that you want to add. And then we can just click on activate funnel. And now it should be completely working. So if we just go to our online store, let's see if we can just go to view our store and go to our products real quick. Let's say this is 50, we said 100. So let's say we want to add both, add to cart, and let's just view cart. It should be these two, and it also should show, if we just click on it should show up in the cart. I believe it just didn't load. This is why it's not working. If I'm not mistaken, I did set it up to be 100. Yes. Let me just figure things out. Wait. Okay, it's my fault. I forgot that I actually made it greater than 100 and I just only added 100. So we need to actually add more than just 100. We can just add 3 purples. So let's just do 3, so that should be 150, and click on add to cart. And if we view cart, there should show up the red. Again, it's not working. There you go. Now it's showing up. It's going to be for free, 100% for free, because we added this. Now, if you want it to be exactly the same amount, just make sure it's not greater than. It's actually going to be 100 or more, then it's going to give the free gift. And this is pretty much how to set up your free gift with purchase. Now, obviously, you can set up more stuff like cart tracker funnel and more stuff. Just make sure you go to the app, create a new funnel, and you have cart progress bar. It's going to basically show in the carts how much more they need to buy in order to get the free gift. Just set it up. It's very easy to do. And it should be working. But for the free gift, it's very simple. I showed you exactly step by step how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful and I hope you liked it. And thanks for watching.